We're making corned beef rolls. This is very easy. It turned out super delicious. The pie itself was crunchy, and guys, you will love it once you try it. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, powdered milk, salt, grated nutmeg. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Once added, go ahead and mix until everything has come together, and go in with margarine or butter. So go in with your hands and mix until it's formed a sunny consistency as seen in the video. Add an egg, mix until well combined, and then sprinkle water on it. So the water, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time. You don't want it that moist, so make sure you sprinkle about 1 to 2 tablespoons bit by bit until you've gotten to the consistency that you're looking for as seen in the video. Cover it with a clean film and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can work on your filling. So the filling is very simple. I'm using corned beef, habanero pepper, and onion. You can, instead of the habanero pepper, you can use green bell pepper or carrots. So this is what I used. I mixed until everything has come together. If you are using green bell pepper, you can sprinkle black pepper on it, and like a pinch of black pepper on it, and you're good to go. After 30 minutes, bring the dough out, sprinkle flour on your wet surface, and then transfer the dough on it. Now press it. The dough, I divided it into 2 equal parts. If you're using the same amount of the dough that I'm using, so all you have to do is to roll it. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters, and then roll it as seen in the video. The video is going so much faster than speaking. So when done, divide it into 3 equal parts, or depend on the size that you're going in for. And then I use a fork to make some design on top. It's simple and it's totally optional. Bake this bad boy at 180 degrees Celsius from 30 to 35 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 30 to 35 minutes, maybe exactly 30 minutes should be fine. That's what you're looking for when done baking. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. And guys, this was super delicious, super easy to make, and you will love it, and I hope you're going to try it as well. Wow, just look at the inside. The filling was on point, the hotness was on point. It was so delicious. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.